Stop wasting your time chasing every shiny object in the affiliate marketing world. It's the fastest way to burn out and see zero results. What's up, y'all? Markus Naves back with the second video of our Be The Reason series. Last time I shared my personal story of how I got started with affiliate marketing, the mistakes I made, and how I turned it all around. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out after this one. Today, we're diving deep into the biggest pitfalls new affiliate marketers face: shiny object syndrome. You know, the constant feeling that the next course, the next product, the next strategy will finally be the one that makes you rich. Spoiler alert, it won't. When I first got started, I fell hard for shiny object syndrome. Every ad I saw, every email I got, and every YouTube video promising quick results had me clicking buy now. I thought the more courses I took and the more strategies I tried, the faster I'd find success. Instead, I ended up more confused, overwhelmed, and broke than when I started. I never gave any strategy the time it needed to work. And as a result, I was always starting over and always at square one. The truth is, affiliate marketing isn't about finding the magic formula. It's about building a solid foundation. It's about picking the right niche, choosing a high quality product, and sticking to a proven strategy long enough to see the results. I had to learn that the hard way, that consistency beats intensity every single time. I started to notice a pattern among successful affiliate marketers. They weren't jumping from course to course or strategy to strategy. They were focused. They had a plan, and they executed that plan with discipline. One of the biggest turning points for me is when I decided to stop buying courses for 6 months. Instead, I committed to mastering just one strategy. I chose to focus on content marketing, specifically creating valuable videos that answered questions my target audience had. I stopped worrying about what everyone else was doing and started doubling down on what I knew could work if I just gave it enough time. After a few months of consistent effort, I finally started to see results. My videos started to get more views, my email list started to grow, and the commission started to roll in. It wasn't overnight and it wasn't easy, but it was real. I learned that sticking to one strategy and getting really good at it was far more powerful than knowing a little bit about 100 different strategies. I started to see the benefits of building momentum. Instead of starting over every few weeks, I was stacking my efforts on top of each other, creating a snowball effect that led to consistent growth. So if you're tired of feeling like you're running in circles, chasing the next big thing, take a step back. Commit to mastering one strategy. Give it your all for at least 3 to 6 months before you even think about switching things up. Trust me, this shift in mindset could be the difference between struggling for years and finally breaking through. In the next video, I'm going to share exactly how I chose my niche and why picking the right niche is so critical for your success. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.